I want to cut across to Vineet Kumar Singh, Research Scientist, Typhoon Research Center, Jeju University, South Korea. He's joining us to get us an understanding on the kind of weather patterns that at least India is witnessing. Mr. Kumar, one quick question. Why is India seeing a shift clearly in weather patterns? It would be a very simple question, because if you look at it, how entire world, especially the kind of weather patterns that have been recorded in the recent past, the heat wave in Europe in 2022, or even now, where most European destinations would have been snowed in. Even Europe is seeing a later winter than what at the time of usually when it sets in.
Yeah, so this unusual pattern, especially you're talking about Europe, so this is happening because of the changes in the wind pattern. So there is a jet stream which governs the temperature fluctuations across the globe. So this jet stream is a very fast moving air in the upper atmosphere. So when this very fast moving air, it changes its path, it leads to perturbations in the temperature. Some places record very low temperature if the jet stream, if this air moves slightly to the lower latitudes, and if the jet stream further moves northward, then the other places record very high temperature. So for Europe, there is a very high pressure over that area. The wind directions were not favorable for the low temperatures, due to which that place didn't record any snow in the month of December. And in the America, opposite happened. The jet stream dipped more southward of its normal position, leading to a more cold air coming from north to south. From Arctic area, very cold air came to US area, leading to a drop in
Mr. Singh,
temperature.
can you also somewhere down the line correlate to what's happening right now in the northern Indian plains? Because at this point of time, usually, traditionally, meteorologically, we've seen, that temperature should now start coming down. But we are seeing, again, standing at the cusp of a predicted historic cold wave over the next 10 days.
Yes, so currently there is a western disturbance which was moving eastward. So this western disturbance is like a rain originating system. So this western disturbance, it is currently giving rain over Himachal Pradesh, Jammu Kashmir, Uttarakhand. So as this western disturbance pass away tomorrow, so this will lead to a cold northwesterly winds which will reach Delhi NCR by tomorrow. As a result, temperature will start falling. Also, there is a moisture is present in the atmosphere because of this western disturbance. Some area received some light rain in the last 24 to 48 hours. So a lot of moisture is there, which will lead to a dense fog conditions in the next 72 hours in Delhi NCR, as IMD also forecasted. So so this temperature will continue to fall in next 3 days, and Delhi NCR may see a low of around 1 to 2 degrees Celsius by 16 Jan.
You're saying,
however,
is it a possibility, Mr. Singh, that Delhi NCR region could actually go down to a 0 degree Celsius, or is it just being alarmist?
That is very rare, because currently the models which IMD models and every other model, they are showing a minimum of around 1 to 2 degree for Delhi NCR. Isolated places in outskirts of Delhi, like towards Haryana, like Rohtak and all, they can see around 0. But for Delhi, 0 is highly unlikely. It can be
to 1 degree Celsius. So you would hedge your bets to about 1 degree Celsius is what is going to be the NCR Delhi temperature.
Yeah. Also, this is not for entire Delhi. Like if you take the average can be around 3 to 4 degrees Celsius. But isolated places can go
certain
up to
observatories could record to a 1 degree Celsius.
Yes.
Do you see temperature, say, in the plains of Rajasthan, in the plains of deeper Haryana, actually go down to -2 or -3 degrees Celsius? Some experts are predicting that.
Yeah, so the places such as Churu, Mount Abu, and parts of southwest Haryana, like Karnal and all, they can record up to -1 to -2 degrees Celsius. And also the parts of Punjab also can see sub-zero temperature. So this is because very cold northwesterly winds will come, and the very clear sky conditions, this will lead to a very rapid drop in temperatures. Also, there will be fog conditions. So due to fog, the daytime temperature will also fall. Like today, yesterday the temperature was 21, today also around the same range. But because of foggy conditions, the sun will be less visible in the sky. As a result, daytime temperature will also fall by 6 to 7 degrees Celsius in entire Delhi, Haryana and West.
Well, you've literally given me the chills. But thank you, Mr. Singh, for joining us. We've already detailed, it's playing right next to me, ways in which you can actually definitely save yourself from the cold. We don't want to sound alarmist, but multiple experts that we have spoken to, viewers, even right now, as you see, the temperatures are very, very comfortable in Delhi and NCR region. It's poised to get worse. To about 1 degree Celsius, 2 degrees Celsius, it might not come down to 0. We've given you ways how you could insulate yourself, but we end with these visuals. Be warm, try to be indoors, insulate yourself, and try to insulate others by donating warm clothes and blankets.